Come on, let's have a look around. You can see there's a few cabins out here. It just started snowing today. It is beautiful, it is awesome. I'm gonna try to daily vlog. This is my first time doing this. We're out here with the family on a family vacation. Right now, June Lake. Here we go. So, this is where we're staying. Here's our home for the weekend. It's an old house with about, I think it sleeps like 18 or something. It's crazy. This place is massive. It's so awesome. I'm gonna take you guys for a little tour. Technology. Awesome. Check this place out. Bunk beds, 2 beds. It's kind of like an old Bella. She's a little guard dog. Okay. Hey, Bella. Okay, so you got the tour of the cabin, you got a little outside snow. Right now we're going to take you inside to make a little snow cream, fresh snow cream. Snow cream, we have our milk, we have our sugar, we have the vanilla, and we have our measuring cup, and we have our snow. Here's the recipe, it's 4 scoops of ice cream,
Probably use the rest of that.
or snow cream. 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Half a cup of milk.
Half a cup of milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla.
It's supposed to be how much?
Yep, right there.
A teaspoon?
Teaspoon.
A teaspoon.
That's it?
That's
Yep.
it.
Now use the spoon to stir, stir, stir until it looks like ice cream. And it will look like ice cream. Get way in there. Stir, stir. Yep, thick stirring. There you go. Very good surprise. One more bowl? One more bowl? One more? Because there's 5 of us, actually, not 4. Okay, get spoons and begin. Did you get yours?
Let's go.
He's not.
Fresh
We can put
snow
it in
cream.
the freezer. It's amazing. It's good. It tastes delicious.
Fresh homemade snow cream. It only takes milk, sugar, and vanilla.
It tastes